Public safety at its core is about the protection of human life and property. And so to have an airborne public safety and helicopter public safety, if you will, is a critical asset, a critical tool in affecting that protection. What's really unique about Bell is if you look at their history in the airborne public safety space, you have to go back more than 70 years. And Bell not only developed and fielded the world's first police helicopter and the world's first fire helicopter, we're still partnered with those same agencies today. And those innovations across those years have without a doubt, changed into some pretty incredible aircraft platforms today, with a continued focus on tomorrow's innovative aircraft as well. Needless to say, the public safety operators today are doing more with less. And so they need platforms that can not only deliver patrol and surveillance, but these other multi-mission aspects. It's not uncommon to have a police helicopter also doing initial fire work or search and rescue work, or sometimes even medical work. So to have platforms that could deliver those needs in all of those mission sets is one such example. The 429 is a great example of that multi-mission aspect for the public safety segment. It's not too much of an aircraft to do a simple patrol mission, and it's certainly enough aircraft to do a complex search and rescue mission.